In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable OneDrive syncing on Windows 11. If you want to stop OneDrive from syncing files on your computer, the process is quick and straightforward. This can be useful if you no longer want your desktop, documents, or other folders syncing to the cloud, or if you simply want to disconnect this Windows 11 PC from OneDrive. To begin, look at the bottom right corner of your screen in the taskbar. This is where Windows keeps system icons and background app shortcuts. You're looking for the OneDrive cloud icon. In many cases, it appears directly in the taskbar, but if you don't see it right away, click the small up arrow to open the hidden icons area. OneDrive is often tucked away there. Once you find the OneDrive cloud icon, click on it. This will open the OneDrive panel, where you can view sync activity and access more options. In the top right corner of that panel, click the gear icon. The gear icon opens the settings menu for OneDrive. From that menu, select settings. This will open the full OneDrive settings window where you can manage how the app behaves on your computer. Next, go to the account tab. The account section is where OneDrive stores connection details for the PC and gives you the option to disconnect it. In this tab, look for the option that says unlink this PC, then click it. A confirmation pop-up will appear to make sure you want to go through with the change. To confirm, click Unlink Account. After you do that, OneDrive syncing will be disabled for this PC. At this point, the computer is no longer linked to OneDrive for active syncing. That means files will stop syncing between this device and your cloud storage through the OneDrive app. If you ever want to reconnect it later, you can sign back into OneDrive again from the app. One quick tip, unlinking your PC stops syncing, but it doesn't automatically delete your local files or remove everything from your OneDrive online accounts. It simply disconnects the sync relationship for this device, which is helpful if you want more control without making permanent changes to your stored files. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully disabled OneDrive syncing on Windows 11.